Welcome students of standard 8. How is your study going on? You watched my video, first chapter, rational and irrational numbers. Okay. So I didn't get any response. You write, you studied or not? I should know that. We have to go ahead. Okay. Today I am starting with the second chapter, parallel lines. Okay. See. Very easy chapter. First I will explain you the basics. Okay. Just basic definitions. Line L, line M, not parallel. Just there are two lines. Okay. Few terms I want to explain you. And a line intersects two or more lines. It's called transversal. So line N is transversal. Line L and M are any two lines. Okay. The angles formed, 8 angles total formed by intersection of lines with transversal. I will define them proper. Okay. Line L, yeah. Pair of corresponding angle first. See the position A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay. Which are corresponding angle? Angle A and angle E. Understand the position. Angle B and angle F, they are corresponding angles. Angle D and angle H, angle C and angle G, corresponding angles, pairs. You are right. Alternate angles. See the position properly. D and F, one pair. C and E, one pair. Getting? D and F, C and E. Interior angles. D, E, R, D, angle D and angle E, pair, angle C and angle F, okay. Pair of exterior alternate angle, angle A and angle G, angle B and angle H. Understood this? Watch properly. Now suppose, if line L is parallel to line M, parallel means never intersecting, okay. It will not intersect line L and M. Okay, but transversal will intersect both the lines. Then corresponding angles are congruent. Alternate angles are congruent. Interior angles are supplementary. What do you mean by supplementary? Their addition is 180. Understanding? We are going to solve the exercise. And exterior alternate angles are congruent. This is the basic for this chapter. Once you understand the basic, we can easily finish the exercises. Okay, we'll go ahead. Okay. Starting with exercise 2.1. See, very easy exercise, as I have explained you, but now you have to answer. Okay. Two lines and one, this is transversal. Angle shown PQRS, X, Y, Z, W. Okay. Now fill in the boxes. Activity. Corresponding angles P and angle W, angle Q and angle X, angle S and angle Z, angle R and angle Y. Understood? 4 pairs of corresponding angles. See properly. Interior alternate angles S and X, R and W, angle S and angle X, angle W and angle R. Understood? Okay. Now second sum, very easy first sum. Any doubt you write in the comment box. Okay. Write the pair of interior alternate angle. Figure is given. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay. Interior alternate B and H. See the position. Okay, though transversal is like this, here it is like this. Don't worry, these are two lines. Intersecting line is transversal. B, angle H, angle C, angle E are pair of interior alternate. Corresponding angles. See the position. Angle A and angle E. Angle B, angle F. Angle C, angle G, and angle D, angle H. Understood? 4 pairs of corresponding angles. Interior angles, angle B and angle E, angle C and angle H. Very easy. Now you can score marks on this. We'll go ahead. Okay. Next sum number 3. Figure is given. Line P parallel to line Q, parallel. Line L parallel to line M. So they are transversals of each other. So if you see this angle is 80, then this angle is also 80. We will write as alternate angle. Okay, angle A, if this is 80, B is also 80. Now A plus 80 is 180, right? Supplementary angles, linear pair. And angle B equal to angle C, corresponding angle. Angle B equal to angle 80, corresponding angle 80. So angle C also 80 degree. Angle A is equal to 100 degree. Understanding? See, you given find angle A, angle B, angle C. Interior angles are supplementary. So A plus 80 directly 180. So A equal to 180 minus 80, that is 100. Okay. Now B equal to 80 direct, corresponding. B equal to C also corresponding, because they are transversals of each other. So angle C also 80. Understanding? So angle A equal to 100 degree. You can write the answer. Angle B equal to 80 degree. Angle C also equal to 80 degree. Got? Next sum number 4. Line A parallel to line B, and this is transversal, line L. You have to find angle X, angle Y, angle Z. Look at the figure. Angle X directly 105. Corresponding angle X equal to angle Y vertically opposite. Angle Y equal to also 105, because angle X is 105. Angle Z plus 105 is 180. Angles in linear pair. 105 shifting that side become minus 105. So 180 minus 105 is 75. Okay. Answer. Angle X equal to angle Y equal to 105 degree. Angle Z equal to 75 degree. Okay. Sum number 5. See, 3 lines are parallel to each other. Line P parallel to line L, parallel to line Q. 2 transversal you see. This is for line P and line L. This is for line L and line Q. Just for convenience, we are taking, you have to find whole angle X. This is 40 and this is 30. Now this much part angle is A. A is 40 degree alternate. B, this much part is B is 30 degree. And the whole X is A plus B. Okay. So A equal to 40, B equal to 30 alternate angles. So X equal to your A plus B, 40 plus 30 is 70 degree. Answer angle X equal to 70 degree. Understood? Any doubt you write in the comment box. Okay. We'll go ahead. Okay. Question 3 to exercise 2.3. Okay. Very simple. Just to draw parallel lines. See, if you hold set squares, then you can see parallel lines. One this way and one this way. Okay. Then you can easily find, this is one, draw line L, take a point outside this. Put one set square like this, another like this, then these 2 lines are parallel. This should touch A. And then afterwards you can extend the line. That is a parallel line through A. Understood? Very simple. If you don't get, write in the comment box. I will show with proper set squares. Okay. So second sum is also same. Instead of A, point T. But sum is same. Try with set square. Figure also shown in the textbook. You can adjust parallel lines. The same thing in the third sum. Draw one line and another line at a distance of 4 cm. This distance you adjust. When you adjust say 2 set squares, when you move, this distance must be 4 centimeter. Understanding? And just extend the line. You try. This is very easy. But if you don't get, tell me. Next time I will show you. Write in the comment box. Okay? So if you like this, give like, share, subscribe my channel to study further more and more standard 8, standard 9, standard 10, score high. Okay? And press the bell icon to get new notifications. Okay? See you in the next video. Bye.